Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas. It's Wednesday, February the 15th, and coming to you with a few ideas that I've gotten off the Trade Ideas software with some nice setup scans that I have. Keep in mind, guys, these ideas are presented to our customers in real time, so they can follow these ideas in real time with real time streaming to update them on the progress of these stocks. All right, today. Looking at, there's a lot of stocks gapping up pretty big. You can see here 18% in RBLX. So be careful with these big gappers. I've noticed over the last several months, many of these are not holding up their gaps and they're selling off. So I like to maybe look for pullbacks. But a couple that have pulled back nicely that I'm looking to take a swing trade position in. SoFi is one of them. I was in this earlier after earnings, scalped it out, got a nice percentage gain, but it's pulled back to this 20 period moving average, put in a kind of a bottoming tail there, bouncing off of it. Looks like it's gapping up above. I'd prefer to catch this thing not on a gap, but still, we're maybe worth a half a position, half size. Another one is Baba. Chinese play pulling back to the 50 period moving average, bouncing off of it yesterday. I'll be keeping an eye on that one. For stocks that are maybe breaking out, I'm kind of liking this GGAL here on a potential break through a double, actually kind of a triple high there. So we'll be watching that through the 1425 area. Looks like it's gapping up close to it. Uh, let's see, DS. Where's she at? DSKE, maybe one to watch. It's more of a momentum play. You got some nice fanning, moving averages here after earnings, good move. Trading sideways, bounced off that 10 period moving average yesterday. So keep an eye above, maybe $9 on this DSKE for a potential swing. All right, guys, tricky market out there. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.